Okay, welcome everyone. Let's get this pre-market analysis started, and we are going to start right from ZAR USD. So our prediction on last week was very very good. I told you guys that I was expecting price to turn bullish, and next week also I'm expecting ZAR USD to keep going up, and this is going to be this previous week high is going to be my liquidity. Although this there is a previous week high here also, this high is an external liquidity, and this high also right here is also an external liquidity for me. So this is the closest liquidity that we have right here, this high. So I expect price to open and come and take out this liquidity, or it can come back and come and find support here. When we drop to lower time frame, we are going to see some area of support here. The same as the daily also, the daily candle also open and close above this. It's open and close above this. So leaving this, this is a close above this. The next one also needs to close above this. But this area is a resistant area, so we might find a resistance that push price all the way here, which is if you look at on the 1 hour time frame, we are going to see why that area is a potential area because there is an order block here. The price might open after opening, then we have something. We have price going all the way down here, then we start going up. So this is the first draw on liquidity, and this is another draw on liquidity. So my bias on ZAR USD is still bullish for the next week. So let's look at GBP GJ. So this is a proven resistant area on GJ, but with the way I'm looking at it, like I feel like when price open, because GJ is still bullish, I'm still bullish on GJ. So price is going to come and clear this resistance, and this one is going to be the one that the one that eventually supports the weak price action before it start growing up. So I'm still bullish on this GBP JPY as well. And on USD CHF, I told you guys that I was looking for bearish on USD CHF, and unfortunately I didn't have any entry on this pair. Even though I was right, I didn't have any entry on this pair last week because price didn't come into this area. It came and took out this liquidity, and it didn't come here. So when price started dropping, and I wasn't able to get an entry on this pair. So yeah, that was it. And Friday that I wanted to take this trade, it was Friday and market was closing, so I didn't want to be inside the trade for obvious reasons. So what I'm expecting is that price is going to open, and we're going to come and find support here. So we're going to find a support here or here. Either of these two is going to give us our support. Then we'll continue our momentum to the upside because I'm still bullish for the week. I'm still bullish for the week. That's what I'm still at. I'm still bullish for the week. But looking at this daily candle, I'm not sure I'm bullish. Okay. Looking at this daily candle, actually I'm bearish. I'm still bearish on this particular on this USD CHF. I'm still bearish, but I swear that next week is going to open and going to come and find some resistance here before we start going down. You get, so that's what I feel like is going to happen on USD CHF. So that's the pre-market analysis for this week, and let's see what our result is going to be next week. Again, previous week we killed it, and let's see what we're going to have again this week. See you guys.